guys, my name is Della, also known as Natural Ghana Girl, and today I'm here at Premier Place to show you this 2-bedroom apartment that is up for rent. Now, if you've been looking for a place to stay in Accra, this is a great option for you. Should we take a look around? Let's go inside and let's have a look. So this is the 2-bedroom apartment, so I'm going to take you for a quick tour in here. Let's head in. So this is the living space here. You can see that obviously it's furnished because it's for a rental. Okay, so you obviously have access to your TV, nice big TV here, plenty of seating if you have a few friends around while you're renting here. Also, as we head over to this side, you can see it's kind of semi-open planned, right? So we have our dining table area here, and then we have our kitchen. So we have ample space to be cooking a really nice meal in here. So we have lots of worktop space. You have obviously your double fridge. You have obviously your appliances and everything here. Really nice space, okay, in terms of size. And over here, we do have a storage area. So if you have some things that you would like to pack away and just be out of sight, this is a really great place to put it, okay? So I'm gonna show you the bedrooms now. Over here, right, we have a guest washroom. So if you're a guest and you're here, you don't need to enter the bedrooms. You have access to a washroom right there. Now the bedrooms are actually opposite to each other, right? So we have one on each side. So eeny, meeny, miny, mo, which one should I go to? Let's try this one. Actually, I don't think that's a very good song. I shouldn't be singing that, right? Okay, but we'll talk about that later. You can talk to me about that in the comments. I just realized as I said it, so don't worry about that. But yes, this is one of the bedrooms, okay? So as you can see, I mean, it's a fairly decent sized space, okay? Right, so we have our double bed here. We also have an ensuite bathroom. This just is, obviously, you have your toilet in there, you have a shower, no bathtub, but we do have a shower there. So that's great if you're a shower type. We have a window here. You can actually open these out and kind of get a bit more light coming in, so you can do that. We have our closet over here. Well, yeah, kind of closet space, right? Would you call this a closet? I'm not even sure. It's not, okay, anyway, I'm rambling. So this is our closet area. I'm gonna call it a closet area. So you can put your clothes in there and make yourself comfortable. For me, in a bedroom, we always have to have a mirror. We have a mirror here, so that makes me very happy, and it's a full length, so you get to see from head to toe what you look like. Now, the other bedroom, which is across this side here, this one's actually just a little bit smaller than the other. I could be wrong, but I think it's a little bit smaller. Again, similar kind of thing, but this time we do have a balcony area, so you can absolutely open this out, chill out there in the mornings or in the evenings. I'm sure that'd be really nice as you get a nice fresh breeze. We also have our ensuite bathroom over there too. Again, it's just a shower room. TV in here too, so you can completely chill in the morning, wake up in the morning. You can put a little bit of TV on, relax before you gotta go about your daily dues, yeah? So this is really, really nice and comfortable. One of the great things I absolutely love about this place is the fact that we have access to a pool at the back, okay? Now this pool is really great, especially if you're staying here and you have children. This is a great place for them to kind of hang out, you know, get rid of some of that excess energy that children tend to have. You can kind of sit over there as well and chill out and just wait for them while they have a swim. But I must tell you this comes with a warning, right, okay? The sound of the water here is very, very therapeutic. So because of that, as you're chilling and your children are swimming around here, you may fall asleep, okay? You may fall asleep, so just beware of that. But this is a great place for children. There's place to kind of like them have run-arounds there as well. So this is a really nice place, guys. Come check out the pool area, absolutely amazing. If you're planning to come to Ghana in December, just remember that Ghana, it is very, very busy come December time, okay? So if you want a place to stay, just remember you need to book somewhere very, very early. Literally, flights are full. places are full, Airbnbs are full, everything's full. Like if you do not book in advance, right, you're gonna have to maybe, I don't know, like buy a car and sleep in it or something like that. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but you get the drift of what I'm saying, right? You need to book early, okay? So if you have a place in mind, do put down a deposit, secure it, make sure your booking cannot be cancelled, and so that you have peace of mind, okay? Because I have heard a few horror stories of people coming here to rent in December and their bookings have been cancelled for whatever reason. You do not want that to happen to you, trust me. So I'm just giving this warning. This is from me to you. This is my gift to you. Take it in the spirit in which it is meant. And that's all I have to say. For this area, it's pretty good. This is actually the first time that I've been in this building. I've seen it so many times, hundreds and hundreds of times I've driven past it. I've never actually been inside, so this is my first time inside here. And actually, it's not bad. It is kind of like a whole community feel. There's lots of apartments in here. It does feel quite welcoming, so that's really good about it. So, if you are interested in this apartment, if you're interested in renting it, again, the rental price can be adjusted according to how long you're going to stay for. So obviously, if you want to stay for a longer stretch, it does help in terms of the price, okay? If you're only coming for a month, the price is going to be a certain way. If you're coming for a longer time, then obviously we can kind of play a bit more with the figures there. You've got a little bit more room for negotiation, for a bit more movement, okay? If you want to rent out this apartment, please do send me an email to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com and I'll be happy to put you in touch with the relevant people and we can take it from there. Also, if you're looking for something else and maybe this perhaps one is not for you, you can also send me an email and I can perhaps see what we have and kind of help you from there too. But that is the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed today's tour. It feels like it's been a quick one because it's an apartment, but that doesn't matter, hey? Okay. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment and share this video for me. Until next time, I am out. Nutitfafa.